Okay, I have this Brazilian pepper with four, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 burls, 5 independent burls on it. My intent right now is going to be to take these as one piece, cut through here, and then split it down the middle and turn it on the lathe where I do a dish centered right here, well, here or on the other side, and then the same thing, another dish here, but it'll be on a piece of wood about that long. The main thing I have to do is make sure that the center of the hole that I put over here is less than 9 inches from this end, and the same thing here. The center from here is going to be less than 9 inches from this end. So I'm intending to have 2 dishes in a single bowl, and it's convenient since these 2 burls are about the right distance apart. They're pretty good size, and I intend, here you can see, they come that far around, so my intent is to split them approximately there so I get as much of the burl centered, and they're not perfectly equal because this one's down a little bit, this one's up, and these are about the same, but these are different. So overall, I think I'll be able to do it. And then I'll be able to save these 2 burls, one on each end here, to do something different with. And I've done multiple Brazilian pepper burls, and the colors and all that, the wood is just, I like Brazilian pepper, and I'm doing my part to get rid of the invasive species by turning bowls out of parts of the Brazilian peppers. Okay, I'm going to split this wood in half. It's Brazilian pepper with 2 burls. I've already cut it to length. Now I'm going to split it. Okay, this is my attempt at turning 2 adjacent burls and having 2 dishes, one piece. So it's a little lopsided. So right now I'm running it at 320 RPM. It's might get a little faster once I hollow out the 2 dishes, but it's going to be 320. I'm going to put some more screws in the plywood to bowl attachment. I think some of them are not holding well enough, so I'll have to Okay, I started my second bowl. You can see the first one is mostly finished. I might have to sand it a little bit as I get done with this one. You can see I've started here. It's going to come over. There'll be a gap between them. Not a lot, but my intent is not to have them crash together. Okay, this is my conjoined twin bowls made from conjoined twin burls of a Brazilian pepper branch. You can see that there's 2 burls sticking out towards the right there. Kind of looks interesting because if you notice, it looks kind of like a bee. Bee for burls and Brazilian pepper. Again, I like the color. What's interesting, another interesting thing here is that the 2 burls aren't identical. The one on the right has a lot more holes in it that were bug caused, and the one above here now doesn't really have any of those. It's pretty nice. I do like Brazilian pepper. I've said that multiple times on videos, but in any case, this is what I have.